How to check Milestone credit card application status. In this video, I will show you how can you easily check the status of your Milestone credit card. So without any delay, let's get into it. For that, there is no such feature in our application or the website of Milestone which allows us to check the status of our credit card. So in order to check the application status, we simply need to contact the support team of Milestone. For that, you can simply open the application of Milestone and log in with your account details first. After that, once you go to the settings, below you will see the option of help. Simply click on it and then you can get in contact with them. If that does not fix your issue, you can simply get in contact with the support team of Milestone through this information. So you can use the detail under for payment or account queries as it is related to our account. So that's it. That is how easily you can check the application status of your Milestone credit card. So I hope you found this video helpful. If you did, don't forget to give it a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel for such tutorial. Thank you for watching till the end.